Rutgers approached the main foundation office a couple of months ago, asking if we could have someone to present to them during Open Access Week.
In the presentation today, David Goodman was talking about how we should sort of think about this more like the World Book Encyclopedia. Any general encyclopedia is meant to be used as a tertiary source. It's a background place, and and as such, it's actually pretty effective because a lot of the content is not as unreliable as you would think that it might be.
It's a good first place to go to for information because it has extremely wide coverage, way beyond anything else that has ever been attempted.
When conversations about Wikipedia often start with some very strong feelings, usually against, but it depends on the audience, of course.
Is it not really a good source in the sense of being of high quality, of being authoritative or like, because it's written by mostly anonymous editors.
The amount of vandalism on Wikipedia, some of it slides through unnoticed and it remains there for some time. And of course, it also depends on how many people are actually looking and policing a particular article.
When it has quality in those articles where there are a lot of different anonymous editors who the principle is will correct each other's biases. And that general model is called crowdsourcing.
Because of Wikipedia's structure, because it can be changed by anyone, I hope that sort of brings that kind of thinking to the minds of every researcher, that everyone should be thinking of adding that citation needed tag whenever they hear anything.
Librarians and teachers have heard of it. What you have to do is reassure them that you are using it only as a starting point and using it to find references and then actually going and finding the references.